Okay, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Spectate to gather SMS opt-ins. So it's a lead generation technique that you can use. And I'll also show you how you can use our autoresponder features limited use to do one-time use coupons and such. So let's imagine for a moment that you were trying to get some sellers, trying to get some listings. So you did a mailer, you did a postcard, or you printed up a flyer similar to something like this. Get a free home appraisal if you text this key phrase to this phone number. So whatever your offer is, get a free home appraisal, get a free seller's guide, a free buyer's guide, whatever your lead magnet is, in exchange for sending us a text message, basically opting into our list so that we can market to you further. Great lead generation technique. So the way you can create something like this in Spectate, and I will bounce over to my browser window now. First thing you want to do is you want to create a list specifically for these SMS opt-ins. So over here in the left-hand navigation, you're going to browse to your lists. I've already gone ahead and created one called SMS opt-ins, but you could hit add a list and create one of your own, give it a name, give it some details. This is all the people who asked for a free home appraisal. You can see that currently I have 0 leads in this list. So if I browse to it, you'll see the same thing. It's lonely and empty. All right, so now that we've created the list that we want these people to go into, we're going to actually create an autoresponder. So there is another video in the series that will show you how to do this in more detail. But if I go to my autoresponders page, you'll see that I've already got one created. It's called the Training Demo SMS Autoresponder. But what I've gone ahead and done is I've added a keyword for the phrase coupon, which corresponds to what our flyer showed. But I will scroll over here and edit it so you can see how I created this keyword. If I hit edit, anytime somebody texts our number with the phrase coupon, or I'll add even a few more here like appraisal, or let's say they put in the word promo, any of these keywords get texted to us, we're going to reply back with, okay, here's your free one-time use coupon. And then I like to use one of these merge fields, keywords here, which will substitute in the person's actual first name. This is great for deliverability so that not all of your messages are identical. The carriers don't like that. Sometimes it looks like spam. But if each one of your messages is personalized with a person's name, that's a helpful technique. Show this message to Ricky Realtor for a free home appraisal. Now further, I want to make sure that this is a coupon that people are only using one time. I don't want them taking advantage of Ricky and getting coupon after coupon. So if you scroll down a little bit further, we're going to make this auto response limited to one-time use by putting the number 1 in here. And if they exceed this number, if they send it, the request more than once, we're going to reply back with the fallback message, sorry, you've already received 1 coupon. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to include an action. We want to copy this lead, this contact who is opting in, to one of our lists. So I'm going to send them over here to our newly created SMS opt-ins list. And then a little bit further down, you can add yourself a photo by clicking this upload a picture and browsing to a file on your computer. I've already done so. I made this nice little corresponding image here. It says, here's your free coupon, good for one-time use only. Show this image to Ricky Realtor for a free home appraisal. So there's my image. So I'll go over it once again. Here are the keywords. Most importantly is the word coupon, because that's what we used over here in our flyer that we're going to send out in the mail, or we're going to post on our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So the word coupon is among these key phrases. Here's the message we're going to send. I'm going to personalize it with one of these keywords, these merge fields. Our auto response is limited, so it's a one-time use coupon with a fallback message. Sorry, you've already received 1 coupon. Once again, I will include the merge field. And this person is getting copied into the SMS opt-ins list and also getting a photo. So I will save that keyword. There we go. There it is. among the rest of our autoresponders. Now the next thing you want to make certain of is that this autoresponder is attached to a phone line. You can see that mine is. I've attached it to the training demo line. And again, in our other video that's all on autoresponders, you'll learn how you can do that. But that's the number that people need to text this to. So let's test it out. So I'm going to go ahead and use this up top, this quick send feature to send a text message. I'm going to send it to that phone line, the training demo line. That's our destination. And we're going to type in the word coupon. That's the message that we're going to send. Now ordinarily, because this is live, I could do this straight from my cell phone. I could type this in and send it from my text, my text message program on my smartphone. But because I want a visual for you to see, I'm actually going to use the software itself to send the message. So that's my destination line. This is the keyword that I'm putting in here, and I'm going to send it from a different phone line. So I'm not sending from the training demo line to the training demo line. I'm going to send from my sales department, my secondary phone line, and I'm going to hit send. That is going to fire off successfully. And in fact, I'm going to do it twice. Let's see what happens if I send that message twice. So once again, sending it to my training demo line. Maybe this time I'll put the word appraisal. And I'm going to send it to the sales department. So there we go. Send it again. I may have clicked that twice. It felt like once. All right, now let's see what happened. If I go into my my log, this button up here will show your text message log. You can see at the top the most recent message. If I click on that, here's the correspondence back and forth I've had. So this user sent the word coupon, and we replied back with the phrase, okay, here's your free one-time use coupon. Show this message to Ricky Realtor for a free home appraisal, and it included the image. And then, just a few seconds later, he sent this message, appraisal, trying to get a second coupon, to which we replied, Spectate replied, sorry, you've already received one coupon. Now, it did not substitute in the person's first name here or here, because this phone line, as of yet, is not in our contacts. So we don't know that person's first name. So that's why you're seeing those are blank. But had this been a contact that was established and in our database, we would be substituting in their first name. All right, so that is how you use our SMS opt-in lead generation feature. And it's also how you can use limited use coupons on our autoresponder. And hopefully this is a big help to your business.